How to make your woman stop faking orgasms. You may be familiar with the saying, "Fake it till you make it," which suggests pretending to have something until it becomes a reality. This advice holds up well in pursuits related to luxury, power, or fame. However, when it comes to sexual pleasure, adopting the "fake it till you make it" approach is arguably the least helpful. For those men who believe their partner is exempt from this and has never faked it, let me share some insights from a survey conducted by Durex in India. The survey revealed that nearly 70% of women do not experience orgasm every time during sexual activity. While these statistics may be disheartening for both men and women, there are genuine ways to ensure that your partner's expressions of pleasure are authentic and not just a facade to boost your ego. Discover how to genuinely elevate your partner's experience and create a connection that goes beyond mere appearances. Here are 3 ways on how to make your woman stop faking orgasms. 1. Open conversation. The primary motivation behind women resorting to faking orgasms often stems from the concern that discussing the issue might hurt their partner's ego. While societal factors may contribute to this dynamic, you have the power to reshape it by establishing a foundation of open communication. Take the initiative to engage in a conversation with your partner, assuring her that your relationship is a safe space where she can openly express herself. Emphasize that you won't be offended if, on occasion, her climax is elusive. Encourage her to communicate openly, making it known that her honesty about her experiences is welcomed. This way, both partners can work together to ensure a fulfilling and satisfying intimate connection. 2. Get down there. Feel free to delve into uncharted territory and explore, because if there's been a necessity for her to feign pleasure in the past, it indicates the potential for improvement. Take the time to understand her preferences, allow your hands and tongue to embark on an adventurous journey, discovering what genuinely arouses and delights her. 3. Let her take the lead. An alternative method to ensure your partner doesn't need to fake an orgasm is to allow her to take the lead during intimate moments. Hold her hand and invite her to guide you through the process. This approach not only makes her feel at ease but also enables her to demonstrate what specifically pleases her. Whether it involves using your hands or engaging in different positions, let her dictate the rhythm and pace of the experience. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.